Nasa airport na tayo guys. So hinahanap natin yung gate natin, yung saan banda. Horse area. Gate 133B. So dito na tayo sa akyat na tayo sa right. Pacific. So nasa loob na tayo ng aeroplano guys. Dito tayo banda sa may pakpak ano. Sa gitna tayo. So uwi tayo guys sa probinsya dahil mahalagang importante ang uwi ano. Alright, so update na lang tayo mamaya. Pas na tayo. Tayo 16D ang gitna tayo sa tapat tayo ng pakpak. So Tacloban na tayo.
Off the fasten seatbelts. Please check your surroundings to ensure that you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins as the items may move during the flight.
Tacloban na tayo guys.
On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team, head of our flight crew, Captain Busto and First Officer Rivero, together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making pleasure having you all on board, and we hope you fly more fun. Once again, thank you everyone for flying. Once again, we ask that you keep your area clean and tidy, and clear your seat pockets of any remaining litter, and please bring this with you as you leave your seats. We may dispose this in the bins near the exit. We seek your cooperation in ensuring that no litter is left in the aircraft.
So, stand mo. Alright, palabas na kami ng aeroplano. Thank you. Welcome to Tacloban. Cebu Pacific. Ang aeroplano natin. So ayan, nandito na tayo sa airport ng Tacloban. So ayan na yung aeroplano natin. So kalalapag lang natin dito sa Tacloban. So CR muna tayo guys. Concert man.